Hey guys, welcome to Nelson Ridge Farm. I'm Brad. I appreciate everybody watching. Hey, I'm going to change the oil on my old New Holland Workmaster 75 today. It's my second oil change. I think I got over 500 hours on it now. I changed it. It's got a 600-hour interval, but you know, it needs to be changed every year regardless. And I changed it last year, and this is the second year I've owned it. So let's change it again. All right, let's warm it up just a little bit. 543.8 hours. So it's time. Let it warm up just a second. Okay, quick orientation. You see there's the left side of the tractor, and the oil filter's back there. You can see it, it's white right up in there. Try to get a better angle. Sneak in from this side. There is the last time I changed it. Had that off lately. Okay, here we are closer. What I learned last time is, so I got to take this little sensor off or whatever that is, and then I got to take this fitting off here to get back there to the oil filter. It's in a weird place. And just under that, you see the yellow dipstick. That's where your dipstick is, and the oil will go in, and then you see your drain plug right there. That's a 12 millimeter, and I'll let that start draining. Now it's got a washer. Well, that's not what I wanted at all. But the washer stayed on good. Wasn't as much of a disaster as I thought. All right, I'll let it drain. Sorry I had to get in here so close, but now you can see me turn it back there. But I had to use my pliers to get it out. I'll put you back on the stand before I get it all out. I think it's got to come out like up here, that way. Comes out. All right, there's the Napa number. They just take the 5 off of the wicks. It's the same filter. Make sure that gasket's got a little on it. See if we can put it back in from over here. Okay. That is just about as tight as I can get it. All right. Show you real quick over here. So that got tightened up as best I can do it. I got to put this back on. And that back in there. See if I can get it started. All right, guys, it took me 2 hands to get that started. Now, without cross-threading it. Now it's threaded right. It's tightening up, and then I'll put a wrench on it. Last couple. That's as tight as I can get that. Pretty snug. That little connector here goes back in. Looks like she stopped. Let's see if I can get started by hand. There we go. I believe I'm just too woolly. Everything's too woolly. Nice. All right, 12 millimeter. I'll take my dipstick out while I'm here. I'm using Shell, I call it Rotella. Okay. 2.3 gallons. The last time I did this, I put what I thought was 2.3, and it was a little bit too full. I'm gonna check it at 2. Looks right up to the top of the full. Got a good oil level. I'll put this panel back on, and we'll be good to go for another years, or we'll see how it goes. But thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and come back and see us. Thanks.